All stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
What's going on YouTube, man? It's your boy Midnight 5.0, man. Y'all can tell I'm coming to y'all with another POV drive. Y'all can tell by today's title and the thumbnail of the video, I indeed do have Catless headers on this 5.0 now. I ain't gonna lie, it sounds crazy. Downshifts are insane, like literally chef T. I can't even lie. But yeah, man, I'm not gonna do too much talking. With that being said, we just gonna get right into the video. Well, matter of fact, I'm gonna give y'all like this little warm start. Y'all let walk around how the car look. I like the little all blacks, like sleek look, so that's what I'm trying to go for. It look clean, simple build. Yeah, I'm gonna stop talking. We just gonna get straight into it. I can't put it in sport, bro, because it's like so jerky in sport. Like, I don't know how to explain it. Like, it's jerky in sport. So, but it's more responsive in drive. So I'm gonna put it in manual mode for y'all. Let me fix this GoPro right quick. Hold on. Telling y'all, this shit gets rowdy. Oh yeah, I gotta watch how I turn right here. Y'all finna see how it really get. Yeah, boy, I can't even lie. This motherfucker is rowdy. Outside, so I'm not gonna go too crazy. It's a little wet outside because it just rained, so I'm not gonna go too crazy. a tune though. I do need to get a tune. Comment down below who should I get tuned by. Please let me know. Wanted to get me, but bro, I'm glad I slowed down, bro. Holy, like they be camping so bad. Once I get past this area, bro, I'll put it back in the manual mode. Put it in sport for y'all to see how it is. Yeah, man, ain't gonna lie. Y'all seen this mug get rowdy with the Catless Longtube. I can't even lie. Y'all see it get rowdy. I'm gonna give y'all like a little couple revs and I'm gonna give y'all a little couple revs to see how it how y'all can really see how it sound. Hope it don't break the sound barrier on the GoPro. But yeah, I'm thinking y'all like just a couple little revs. So hold on. I know that mud sounded crazy. I know that mud sounded crazy. But I ain't gonna lie, if y'all enjoyed the POV drop, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications, man. Because I will be indeed dropping more POV drops with the Catless headers. With that being said, I'm gone.